Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Analytics Adda. So today is our 13th class of Python series. In this class we will do some practical demo on tuples. So in the earlier classes we have learned about tuples, brief introduction on tuples, how we can use tuples in our Python programming. So we have around 8 questions in this class, so we will go one by one and try to solve each question. So first question is access 20 value from the tuple. We want to access 20 value from the tuple. T1 is the tuple and values are orange, 10, 20, 30. This is the second one element, and 5, 15, 25. We want to access this value. So we know that tuple starts with index 0, then 1, then 2. And if you want to access the 20 value, then we will go inside the first element index 1 and then 1. Then we can write print T11. If we will run this code, then we will get 20 element. Second question, we want to swap two tuples in Python. Suppose we want to swap two values in Python. T1 is the T12 tuple, T2 is the 34 tuple. We want to swap between two tuples, then we can write T1 T2 is equal to T2 T1. So we can print this code, then we can get these tuples. This is a very simple example of swapping two tuples. Like third questions, copy specific values from one tuple to another. If we want to copy values from one tuple to new tuple, suppose we want to write a program to copy elements 44 and 55 from the following tuple into a new tuple. And we have created a tuple T1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 44, 45, and we want to copy these values into tuple T2. So first we can get these values, like we can write T1 starting from 3, 0, 1, 2, 3 till the end. Then we can get 44, 45. We have already stored into T2, then we can print this T2. Fourth, find the length of the tuple. If you have to find the length of the tuple, how many elements are in the tuple, then we can simply write print length T1. Then we can get the length of the tuple. Like suppose we can also insert two values 4 and 5 and then write the code and then run the code, then we can find 5. If we want to find the size of the tuple, suppose we want to find the size of the tuple, then we can use simply import sys is the predefined function. T1 is equal to 1, 2, 3. T2 we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you want to find out the size of the tuple, then when you can simply write size is sys dot get size of T1, sys dot get size of T2, then we can get the size of the tuple. And fifth is empty tuple. Suppose we want to get the empty tuple. T1 is equal to, in round bracket we can simply start empty, then print T1. Sixth, what is the output of the tuple? How can we find the output of this tuple? Print T1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we can want to get the output. Print T1 0. 0 element is 1. Then we can write 1 minus 1. We know that from there is a negative indexing also. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. If you want to get the minus 1, then we can get 8th value. And third, print T1 is equal to 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 means 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we can get 6. Print T1 8 minus 1 7. 7 T1 7 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is the eighth element. Print T1 8 modulo 2 means 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Modulo means there is a remainder 0, then we can get one element. Seventh question, what is the output of the following code? T1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We want to get the print T1 bracket open, then we can get all the elements in the T1. Print T1 starting from 3, 0, 1, 2, 3 means from 4 till the end we can get this, because this is starting from 3. And print T1 till 4 we can get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can get this 0, 1, 2, 3. We can get this. Okay, what is the output of the eighth question? What is the output of the following code? T1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Print T1 starting from 1 and there is an increment of 2. It will show start and there is another row till the end and starts with an increment by 2. It will start with 1, 0, 1. 1 is the 2 and then increment by 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This one. Print T1 0 starts with 0 and increment 2 till end. 1, 0 is the one element, 3, 5, 7, 9 the element. Print T1 starts with -1 till go -5, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and then increment by -2, -8, 8. Okay, so this will so this, and then fourth T1 is equal to starts with 0, sorry, -1 and increment till n, or n increment by 1 by 1, 10, 9, 8, 7. We will get this. Fourth question, print T1 starting with 0 till with 7, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, increment by 2, 1, 3, 5, 7. So these are the all practical questions from the tuple section. If you like this video, please hit like and share.